All right, we're here with Coach Theodore Whitmore. The best start in the history of the club, Mount Pleasant, in the league. Lost only one game, still leading the table. The best record in the league. A good victory today. Coach Whitmore, what do you have to say about the performance today?
Well, I think there are still some areas we are not pleased with, but at the end of the day, it's 3 points. They still have some work to do. We have completed the first half of the season and looking forward to the next round.
Right, your closest right drew against Montego Bay United, which for the league. Do you have to those things, or it's just Mount Pleasant you're focused on right now?
Well, my concern is Mount Pleasant. You know, once we have to do what we have to do, then it doesn't really matter what the other teams do. We just have to keep winning.
And also today we saw some also Nicky Daly, Shandy James, and also debut. I mean, how important is this to the team?
Well, again, it's a long season, you know, and as much as we can integrate the players in, so we know the depth of the team, then it's very important.
All right, Coach Whitmore, again, congratulations. I mean, good start. Like I said, this is the best start for the Mount Pleasant team in the history of the JPL. And congratulations on the victory, Coach.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.